Alright guys, so I got my chimney here. It's an 1860s built chimney, and you see I got a big hole in it, and I'm going to repair it and we'll see how we do. This thing is really falling apart here. These bricks, just touching it like that makes it crumble. Alright, let's have a look down this chimney and see what we can see. If you can hold the light for me, Blanca, shine it down. Oh, actually I can grab it probably. Alright, so there's the chimney. Hopefully we can see down quite a ways. See if it's in bad shape. Alright. Oh, I can see all the way down actually. Oh, I'm getting a cramp. And then let's look up. Alright, there it is up there. Looks pretty good up. And it looks pretty good here. I don't see too, I see a kind of a, right there, it's kind of not so good in that one area. Right there. It's kind of crumbly. But you know, it's 150, 160 years old. Definitely need a liner. Alright, first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this brush with water and we're going to saturate these bricks, because if I don't, it's going to dry up my mortar mix. I'm using S mortar, which is a little bit harder mortar, more Portland than N mortar. I don't want this to fall apart again. A little bit more PSI strength. You can see it's absorbing into the bricks. Alright, now we're adding our S mortar on the bricks, wetting the bricks down as we go, each brick. Okay.
How many minutes is it, Nandi?
Alright, there's the repair. It's not perfect, but it'll work. It won't leak any smoke out of it. Later, when that's dry, day or two, I'll come back and I'll just put some mortar mix over the whole wall there, the whole bricks, because it goes in a little bit. Now work on the other side. I'll show you the hole on the other side. Oh my gosh. Alright, here's the hole on the other side. I'll probably fit one brick like that, and then maybe another one down below, and then there'll be a little void there that I gotta fill. Alright, so this patch is done, and you can see right there, got the brick in, and there's a small brick underneath. In that hole above the brick, I just filled it with mortar, and that's fine. And you can see it's a lot of spalding going on, which is where the brick is just deteriorating from it's probably from the ice, snow that gets into the chimney. It doesn't have a cap, and then it freezes, and then it, you know, breaks off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix up some mortar mix, some Type S, and just coat this whole area, this whole chimney, the whole side. Make it nice and smooth, like right here. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and put some mortar all over this wall, because it just don't look good here. And we'll show you how it looks afterwards. Alright, there we have it. I'll go and take a green sponge float and I'll smooth that over so it's a little bit more smooth than that, but I gotta wait a few minutes for it to dry. The other side I was running out of mud, but it came out almost done. Just at the very end I couldn't finish, so I have to buy another bag of Mortar Mix to finish off this side, but that repair is done. No more hole in the chimney. That's what I really needed done. Alright guys, just floated that chimney right there. And you see, this side's not the greatest, but the hole is patched and that's what I really needed. The bricks, I ran out of mud, so you can see how funky it is right there. That's somebody else's repair. I don't know why the heck they just left the mortar squirting out like that and just left it all cauliflowered like that. It's terrible. But you can see the difference when you don't use a float. You get this high spots, these ridges and stuff. If you just spend a few bucks on a float like this, and just get the aggregate to the surface, it'll also keep from getting stress cracks, because if you have that trowel down too smooth you can get cracks, so that keeps you from getting cracks, and it also makes it look more smooth. It gets all the imperfections out. I'll show you the other side. The other side I had done first, so I had enough mortar to do it all, and it came out really nice. You can see that? It's pretty good. So yeah, I'm happy this job came out really good. Only took us a few hours to get it all done, maybe 4 hours from start to finish with the help of my wife. Thank you, Blanca. Sorry I cursed so many times, but this was a pain in the butt. You can see it's only like 3 foot before you hit your head here. Hit my head several times.